Now, we've all done it. We've all saw a coin design and a crazy thought popped in our heads. It's ugly or stupid or what was they thinking? Well, I'm going to do this with some coins that were proposed coins and pattern coins and things that never made the cut. And I'm going to just have a little bit of fun with it. Now, this is all fiction. I'm making it all up. Nobody said this. This is just me. I'm just, like I said, it's for comedy. Yeah. So stay tuned to find out what I'm talking about. My name is Daniel, and you are watching Coin Help You. Thanks for watching my latest video. Before we get into the laughter here, I want to talk about CoinZip.com. If you need to find a local coin show, dealer, or when a show is going to be happening in your area, you can actually type in your zip code or your state, and you can even find directions on there. You can click on their little Google map. So visit CoinZip.com, find that information out. Really not a whole lot to make fun of here on this coin. It's not too bad. The design's not, horrible. I guess the hair's a little odd looking. You can't tell if it's a boy, girl, or whatever it is, and as far as that gender is concerned. But other than that, I kind of like this coin. It's a 1792 Birch cent. But what were they thinking whenever this coin circulated for a little bit? I mean, take a look at this. I mean, you're talking about a 10-year challenge. Look at that. That thing, it's absolutely worn down to where it almost looks like a hag, but it's still not as bad as this one. I mean, what are you thinking about when you're designing this stuff? You want to put an actual hag-looking thing on a coin. I mean, this is a witch straight up. I mean, that's just all there is to it. So at least this is not this, but it's close. But when they did this, they weren't thinking of this. So we move on so now here you have the $4 gold Stella. In other words, remember Stella at the bar last night that turned me down? Let's just put her on a coin and show her. Let's put her on there, give her a little bit of a mean mug looking thing, and put a little goofy Liberty banner on her head. So that'll fix her, right? So let's put an eagle on a cent. That's a wonderful idea, but you made it too big. Hey, I can fix that though. I'll just bend the eagle's neck a little bit, make it fit in there, right? Even though it might look a little weird, let's just do that. That ain't going to work out. Let's go ahead and make it really small and put it on there. And that's too small, so that's not going to work either. Well, looky here. I'm tired of seeing all these skinny women on these coins. Let's put a pleasantly plump woman on these coins. That'll fix it. Maybe see if that will stick or not. Then we'll put an intricate design on the back, almost love tokenish looking, and we'll do grams and grains, and we'll just make it all kinds of confusing. We're just going to be completely different on this one. Hey, you remember that woman last night that was stuck up at the bar? Let's just put her face on a coin. Let's put her stuck up, and we'll just immortalize her for that. We'll do this as 20, and it's actually the $20. It's an aluminum $20. And I mean, when you're doing this, look at some of these prices on some of them. Here we go. This is perfect. Perfect for the collection plate and exorcisms. We'll create a holy cent. Just put a hole right in the middle of it. Ha, I got it. This is Halloween time. We're going to make a floating head in the middle of a coin and just let it float around and all. That'll be a good thing for Halloween, right? And what about this one? Here's our perfect Halloween coin. Too bad it didn't have the technology back then, because this mean mug, if it could actually turn and look at you in the face and have demon eyes and, I mean, this would be perfect for that. This would be a perfect Halloween coin if they had remake this coin and actually have it wear a hologram so she looks straight at you. And here's another one. This is just really bad, but you know what? It looks like a severed head. Let's just put a severed head on a coin. So we got 3 Halloween coins we can scare people with. And here we have Martha Washington. Martha Washington was a great figure in history, but they put her on a coin with one of the meanest looks they could possibly give her, and never even really thought so much about what it would look like after it circulated, but it even gets worse. It's not much different than this one going to this one. Maybe a little bit better, but yeah, like I said, I don't know what they were thinking, but I just made up a few things that I would think about when I look at these coins. So I hope you got a little laugh out of it. Thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, comment, and have a great day.